So, a quick summary of the video. I was having erroneous limit switch triggering on my GRBL machine. Specifically, the x-axis limit switch was erroneously triggering, leading to errors and the G-code would stop. I figured out that this issue was caused by electrical interference, having the cables all bundled together and the limit switch wires right next to the stepper wires with lots of current going through them. Was able to remedy the issue by taking some regular aluminum foil, just winding that around the limit switch wires in particular, bundled everything back up with the tape, and that solved my problem. So I hope if you're having a similar issue that this can be useful for you and can help you fix your problem. Here's the longer video. So I'm here with my GRBL Laser Cutter, and I was having this issue with the limit switches there, the x-axis limit switch. Now I'd be running a cut job just like this one, and it would be okay, scanning back and forth, and then all of a sudden you'd get a message like this. Hard limit triggered. Basically one of the limit switches was triggering erroneously. Now I figured out it was because I'd done this electrical tape helical wrap to manage the cables. And I was getting electrical interference. All this current running through the stepper wires, some induction bullshit going on, was basically getting into these wires for the limit switch, and it was erroneously triggering the machine. I was able to fix that by doing some DIY shielding on the limit switch cable bundle. Just take some aluminum foil, cut a strip, and then do that same sort of helical winding around just the limit switch wires. Put it all back in that big winding of tape, and seems to be okay now. Demonstration runs like a charm now. And yeah, there you go.